Why Alaska matters. Alaska is more than just the largest U.S. state by area. It represents a vast area of wilderness and biodiversity. A historical bridge between Asia, Russia, and North America, geographically and culturally. A frontier where human endurance and nature's power meet. A strategic piece of the Arctic and North Pacific world in modern geopolitics. A place where native traditions and modernity coexist, sometimes uneasily, where the last frontier is still being written. Closing message. So there you have it, a journey from ancient migrations across land bridges, through Russian colonization, the bold American purchase, gold rush excitement, World War battles, statehood, oil booms, native rights, and the contemporary challenges of climate and economy. Alaska's story is vast, rugged, and full of resilience and